Are you dreaming of a job that can make your future bright and full of opportunities? Well, listen, you're in the right place. Now, I just want to tell you, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, I want to know, have you ever wondered what jobs you can get with a financial degree? So maybe you're thinking about a career that, could bring you big rewards, but you're unsure where to start. So listen, many people wonder, what's out there and how to make the best choice. So don't worry. Today I'm going to share with you the best financial jobs that can help you to start your dream career. All right? So imagine being a financial analyst, helping big companies grow by understanding money. That's one option. Maybe you'd love to work as a financial planner, helping families save for their future. You like that better? There's also an exciting world of investment banking where you can help companies and people grow their wealth. Okay? 3 different options, 3 different fields in finance right there. These jobs not only pay well, but they could also give you the chance to make a real impact on the world. So, you want to know the best part? You don't have to wait long to start. You can begin learning today. So what are you waiting for? And give me a like, give me a comment if this helped you imagine something nice for yourself. I love you, okay?